Be demanding in life. It is the secret to health and happiness. Be demanding in life means you have to extract the highest from life. You have to extract the highest from each moment of living life. This means that life is not in the past, life is not in the future. Life is here and now. And if you want to be successful, then you have to be demanding. DJ. Thank you. This is poha, which is made very differently, and I became demanding. It was too much of oily when they served me, and I asked them to make it again. So here I enjoy my be demanding meal now, and I will complete this teaching to you after having this meal. I had the poha. It is a Indian breakfast meal that was not actually what we wanted, but I keep on experimenting with new exploration. If you stick to only one thing in life, if you do the same thing again and again, then it is not the be demanding life. My health and happiness is dependent on what kind of experiences I invest in every day. Right now it is a raining day, and it's totally different ambience from a sunny day. This means that there is not much energy, the so-called energy of the sun to excite you, to energize you. But I do a lot of practices, breathing techniques, and the transmutation of energy happens to that extent that I can enjoy my life. So one of the techniques that I follow to extract the best out of my life is the slow motion exhalation. Slow motion exhalation works like this, that if you are sitting at a certain place and if you want to feel life, then this exhalation is going to shift your attention from the periphery to your breath and to the experiences that you take. So before taking any experiences, you can practice this kind of breath for 5 minutes and then see that you will be totally present to the experience of eating food, to the experience of feeling food. So it works like this. You can have a count of 1 to 10, 15, 20 as you exhale in the mind. So like this. Like this, you need to do slow motion exhalation, and the counting will happen in your mind like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 till the time you are exhaling. The more you extend, the more your attention will come to yourself. The more you will feel that pleasure is here and now. Happiness is not beyond this moment. So whatever you do in life, make sure that your attention is in the present moment in which you are engaged. Otherwise, just doing the activity is not life, living life. It is only you are present, your body is present in that activity, but your attention is not, your energy is not, your breath is not. So engage your breath with the activity that you are doing, and you will feel that a shift has happened in you. Every moment you are able to live life fully, completely, and when you live life like this, you will feel that there is so much to enjoy in life. The pleasure that comes from the body through this engagement is real. You don't need to invest too much of your money to buy matter, to engage with just spending money unnecessarily, but taking the experience with full presence. So your intention to enjoy the moment is important, your attention is important, your engagement with life is important. You have to feel life in this moment as it is. For example, if you want to just enjoy the scene behind, then you can do this exhalation practice. For example, you can keep doing this and in some time you will see that your eyesight has improved. You are able to pay more attention to their eyes. The vasodilation in the eyes happen, the blood circulation happens, lot of other activation of your lymphatic system happens through this exhalation practice. This means that you are burning and taking away toxins from the body at the same time, and at the same time exchange of CO2 and O2 happens in the lungs. Your heart rate slows down, your brain waves slows down from beta frequency to alpha frequency, and when you are in alpha frequency you are actually in rest and digest mode. When you are in rest and digest mode, you are able to feel life as it is in the moment. This means that there is no fight and flight. There is life happening right now, and with this technique, if you engage yourself, then you will know that life is great. You can have fun with whatever experiences you want to have. So all these secrets are mine, and I live life with these secrets. You too can enjoy life if you follow these secrets. Take care and bye bye. Have a good day.